Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another unboxing video, as I always tend to do. And this time it is Asos. And this is the Asos beauty box for June. That's what it looks like. So if you're new to Asos, as always, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you just want to skip forward to seeing the contents, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to do that. So Asos is a monthly beauty box. It's not a subscription. You go online the first few days of the month and you get to see the items in the box. Now this box costs £12. They generally are £12 a month, but sometimes they do collaboration boxes, and we've had Bobbi Brown, we've had Clinique, and those boxes are £15. So it's no subscription. You just, if it takes your fancy, you just buy it, no commitment. It's just like buying anything else off Asos. They've been doing this now for well over a year and I absolutely love it. Some boxes sell out super fast, and sometimes you don't always know when they're going to release a box, so it's a bit of a pain. But at the start, at the first of every month, I'm on there a lot. I'm on there checking Asos every single day, a couple of times a day until I spot it, or unless one of you lovely lot message me to say, Claire, Asos has released their box, and then I get it straight away. And then I always post it up on my Facebook page, and I've started to put it on my Instagram page and then Insta stories so that I can let you lot know as well. I forgot to say, my Facebook and my Instagram is the same name as this, Diaryofabeautygeek. If you've never shopped on Asos before, shipping is extra. I think it's £3, but I have paid £9.99, and that entitles me for free next day delivery for a whole year. So because I get these monthly, as well as other things off Asos, as I love their website, then it is a huge saving for me. I think that's it as far as information goes. All details related to this box and links and things like that will be in my description. So if you click on the show more underneath this video, that will bring up the description and it'll all be down there. So let's open it up and show you what's inside. Normally you get a little leaflet in this box, but there's none in mine this month. So maybe that's a mistake, or maybe they haven't done one, I don't know. But normally you do, and it just tells you a little bit about the box. It doesn't go into detail. It doesn't tell you the pricing, things like that. I will find that out on the website and I'll link that down in the description. Ooh, without it falling out. Can you see there? Oh, that's right, Summer Skin Box it's called, and it says experiment, push boundaries and express a different side of yourself with this limited edition box packed with the freshest face and body product at Asos design from your favourite brands, and some new ones too. Prime, paint and finish your canvas however you wish. There are no rules or limits, just endless ways to be you. And then it's got a list of all the products then, but it doesn't have the prices. So let's show you the first item. And we have got facial radiance pads by First Aid Beauty, and how many's in there? There's 28 in here. Help exfoliate, tone and brighten. First Aid Beauty is an amazing brand. I absolutely love the products. All the products that I've tried so far, I really like. They're moisturisers, primers, tinted primers as well. I don't think I've ever had anything full size. Tend to be like sample sizes that I've had in subscription boxes, but it is a really nice brand. I really like the products, so I can't wait to try these. Facial pads, always handy to have. Next we got a Emma Hardy Protect and Prime SPF 30. A lightweight, hydrating and protecting daily moisturiser, soothes and primes the skin for a soft focus, luminous finish, provides UVA and UVB SPF 30 protection, and this is a sample. And this is 15ml, or it could be, I don't know, a mini or a travel maybe, I'm not too sure. I'm sure I've tried this before. I've tried a few Emma Hardy products, especially their Moringa face cleansing balm. I love it. I think I've said this in another video recently, because I have samples and because I have little tubes and things like this, I might use it and then I forget then exactly what it is, so it's not actually in use for long. So not in use for long, not in my brain for long, unfortunately, unless it's a product that like blows me away. Oh, it smells so nice. So the next item is The Ordinary. I love The Ordinary. I use quite a few of their products actually. This is the niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. High strength vitamin and mineral blemish formula. This is 30 mils. I've actually been talking to someone about this recently, so I'm really chuffed that it's in this box. It saves me from buying it. I haven't got blemish prone skin. I am actually on medication to control my acne. I've been using it now for about 3 years and my acne's gone. But I've got polycystic ovary syndrome, so yeah, long story, hate it. But I've still got massive pores. I have got combination skin I'd say normal combination skin, but so no severe greasiness as such, but I have just got ginormous pores, really bad pores. So this I wouldn't use all over my face. It wouldn't be like a topical solution type of a blemish controlling thing that I used to use years ago. I'd use it mainly on my T-zone, where I've got the big pores and I want some smoothing and shrinking and yeah, just brightening and all over niceness. It says apply to entire face morning and evening before heavier creams. So that's that item there. Next we've got a green bottle of Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. Okay, Soothing Treatment Lotion, and this is 30 ml. Mushroom Relief. Okay. Relief from mushrooms, or what is in it? Shake well, pat on clean skin with cotton pad or fingertips, AM and PM. So this is obviously a sample. For the 200 ml it will cost you £30. It rapidly reduces visible redness, skin looks fresh and feels healthier, leaves sensitive skin calm, comfortable and hydrates, alcohol free and pH balanced. And it's just a soothing lotion. It just sounds really, really lovely, but the fact that it was a mushroom relief in the name, it just confused me there. But no, there's that item. And lastly, we've got a Nip and Fab face mask, and this is, what is this one? It's Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Hydration Mask, moisture infusing hydrogel face mask for soft and hydrated skin. And that's what that looks like there. But what's it say? Give your skin an instant moisture boost with our innovative face mask. The naturally derived hydrogen texture feels fresh on the skin and adapts perfectly to facial contours for the ultimate pampering experience. Hydrating hyaluronic acid and soothing dragon's blood extract infuse the skin to reveal a plump, soft and radiant looking complexion. So those are all the items there. We've got some First Aid Beauty face pads. We've got a Nip and Fab face mask. We've got an Origins soothing lotion. We've got a ordinary niacinamide, if I'm saying that right, lotion, and we've got an Emma Hardy and SPF moisturising cream. I think it's lovely. I think it's really lovely. It'd be interesting to see how much this all comes to. From previous boxes, they don't go much higher than about £45–50. As always, I'd love to know, what do you think? Do you get ASOS box? Do you like this month's box? Or do you think, nah, it's not for you this month? All your opinions and thoughts I'd love to know. So I hope you'd enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots of videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.